Welcome to our tutorial on the Tritangent fillet. In the Fillet toolbar, let's activate the Tritangent fillet command. Now let's select the faces to fillet. Faces to remove. Let's remove this face. And here is our Tritangent fillet. Next, let's offset the plane 1/2 inch from this plane. See, it's about 1/2 inch or so. Click OK. Now I'm going to use this plane as a limit for this fillet. But watch what happens here. When I click More and select an element, I'm not able to select this plane. The reason is because this plane appears after the fillet. So what I've got to do is reorder the features in the specification tree. Right-click, actually let's just move the tree up so I've got room for this to expand. Okay, right-click, select Plane 1 and reorder. Here I'll choose Before. In this field, I'll select the Tritangent fillet. Click OK. Now the plane appears before the fillet. Okay, we're going to try this again. Let's click on the fillet, select More, and for our limiting element, I'm now able to select the plane that I want. We don't see anything now, though. The reason is because the last active feature on the specification tree is this pad. That's what the white line here indicates. Let's right-click on the Tritangent fillet in the specification tree. Click on Define in Work Object. Now we can see our Tritangent fillet, and it is limited by the intersection with plane 1. This concludes our overview of the Tritangent fillet.